Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about use of this, that, these, those. बच्चों हम दिस का यूज कब करते हैं? जब कोई चीज हमारे पास होती है तो हम उसको दिस करके बोलते हैं। दिस इज एन एप्पल। और दैट जब हम किसी दूर वाली चीज को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं तो उसको दैट करके हम बोलते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज एन एप्पल। दिस एंड दैट का यूज हम सिंगुलर फॉर्म में करते हैं। जब भी कोई नाउन या प्रोनाउन सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है तो हम दिस और दैट का यूज करेंगे। दीज और दोज हम प्लूरल चीजों के लिए यूज करते हैं। दीज जो है वो प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए यूज होता है जब कोई चीजें हमारे पास में है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दीज आर बॉल्स। और दोज हम उस चीज के लिए यूज करेंगे जो हमारे पास नहीं है, जो दूर है और जो प्लूरल फॉर्म में है। दोज आर एप्पल्स। Let's see more examples. This and that. First example, this is a pen and that is a tree. Both are in singular form. Now next example is for these and those. These are apples. These are apples. We are using for plural form. Those are clouds. Clouds are far. Clouds are far. वो दूर है तो we are using those are clouds. Now this or that, fill in the blanks using this or that. First is, this is my cat. The cat is near, so we will write this is my cat. Next is, dash is a big tree. The tree is far, so we will write that. That is a big tree. Next is, dash book is interesting. The book is near, so we will write this book is interesting. Next is, dash movie was funny. The movie is far, so we will write that movie was funny. Next is, dash is my friend Sarah. Now friend is near, so we will write this is my friend Sarah. Dash cake looks delicious. The cake is far, so we will write that cake look delicious. Next is, dash car is fast. The car is near, so we will write this car is fast. Now in this we will use this, that, these, those. Let's start. Now let's start. Number 1, dash is a computer game. Computer game is near, so we will write this is a computer game. Dash are lorries. Lorries are far and plural, so we will write those are lorries. Next, dash is a camera. Camera is singular and far, so we will write that is a camera. Dash is a kite. Kite is near and singular. So we will write this is a kite. Dash are balls. Balls are plural and near. So we will write these are balls. Dash are watches. Watches are far and plural. So we will write those are watches. Dash is a pen. Pen is near. So we will write this is a pen. Dash is a ruler. Ruler is singular and far. So we will write that is a ruler. Dash are chairs. Chairs are plural and near. So we will write these are chairs. So student, I hope you understood. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.